In this video, I'm going to show you can easily hide some conversation on WhatsApp. If you want to hide a conversation from your chat, just watch this video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And first off, open up WhatsApp app and then go to chats. After that, search for a conversation that you would like to hide. Let it be that one. All we have to do to hide it is just swipe to the left. And then tap at archive. What that will do? That will move that conversation to archive. If you want to see our archive conversations, we can get into archive. And that's where we can find them. If you want to hide this archive tool from here, we need to go into settings. Then tap add chats and then turn off the option, which is called keep shots archived. Just like that, and then if you go to chats, we can see that archive tool is now hidden. That's how you can easily hide someone on WhatsApp.